Hey guys, so today I'll show you how to change the speed limit and how to use actually Puckipuppy Labrador model. So to turn on the bicycle, you need to push the power button. So it's pretty simple. You push on it and we'll say hello. Then to go in the settings, I'll show you how to use first. So increase the pedal assist, you go up, decrease down button. To turn the light on, you push the light on over here, and horn is underneath. So it's very simple to use. And now we're gonna go to settings. You push three button up and down, and then you're gonna push light as well, all together. Okay, and you hold it until display will change to technical settings. So once you're in settings, you use a down button or upper to going through all this menu. So if you click on the speed limit, you click on it and you just push the power button on it and it'll go to speed limit. I put it up to 61, but it can go less or higher. So again, to get top speed, which on throttle only, so you would need to increase above 50. So now let's go back to 61 and click power button to leave the settings. Then you can go to another options to power assistant gear. You click on the power, and once you click on the power, you will see two options: gear 3 and 2. So that's basically pedal assist. That's what they mean. So if you want to have only 3 pedal assist level, you click on 3. If you 5, you on 5, and then you click power button, and it will leave and settings, and it will save it. Then you'll see voltage, which you can skip because you don't want to change anything over here. It should be 48. Wheel diameter. You click on wheel diameter and you change the wheel diameter if you need to, but changing wheel diameter will not do any difference in speed. So let's leave this and go back to Technomagnet. You can leave it, and then riding mode. Click on riding mode. I give you two options. One is motor only, pedal only, or pedal and motor. So when you choose motor only, it means only throttle will work. When you choose pedal only, it means you're gonna get only pedal assist. And if you don't use this, you see it will leave. So I'm gonna push again, 3 button, and we'll go back. So let's go back. So riding mode, you probably want to leave as is, unless you are somewhere where you cannot use the throttle, so you can change it. Then it comes with intensity settings. You select it, and it comes with up to 5, mode 5. So I'll put 5, so it's basically supposed to accelerate faster, but I didn't really feel any difference much. So, but I will change to 5 and then leave it. And then they also have reset to the factory, so you can reset to the factory if you want to, but I will not. And then you just push a light button to leave it, and it will save now. And now the bike can go up to the top speed on throttle only. Let's check it out. So in order to do that, you have to be on pedal assist level 1 at least, and it will go to the, see how fast, 31 miles an hour. And I was getting about 30 miles an hour with throttle only on the long road, on the flat road actually. There's also one more settings you need to learn about. You push 2 buttons up and down together at the same time, and you'll go to another settings. It's a functional settings, I guess it's called. And let me get closer as well, so you can see more clear, because it's very hard to record the display. So once you get closer, you're gonna see brightness. So it will get display brighter, units, it's kilometer to miles, startup mode, and reset. So let's go, and it will always go back if you don't touch it for a few seconds. So I'm gonna push these 2 buttons, then brightness. Let's see, it'll give you 3 level brightness of the display. And now I'm gonna leave this and go to units. So units will be changed to kilometer or miles. I'm gonna leave it as there. And startup mode, which is kind of up to you. Free mode, it means you can start to pedal and it will go and the throttle will work always. Safe mode, it means the throttle will only work once you start to pedal it, and it will activate it probably after 3 seconds once you reach certain speed. And now it's gone back. Again, that's all you need to know about the Puckipuppy settings, how to use this. It's very easy, nice bicycle, highly recommend to check them out, very good price and very fast. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.